Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Zaria Chanel here. Today we have a retwist video. I'm going to show you guys how I retwist my locks. I am Zaria Chanel. I am a personal trainer. I also do makeup and I am also doing my own retwist, as you guys can see. So I pretty much do it all. If you guys are interested in any content related to beauty, motivation, or just fitness, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video, thumbs it up, comment what is your favorite color. Okay, I'm so intrigued, like I want to know what is your favorite color. Anyways, y'all, so with this retwist video, it's not as detailed, but I do save a clip at the end for you guys so that you can see how I actually do it. Right here, as you can see, I'm going from the back into the front, so that means that I'm starting from the back and I'll finish with the front. That being said, I just went row by row. Every time I parted my hair, I went ahead and saturated my scalp with an oil mixture that I made. It is a mixture of peppermints, black castor oil, and coconut oil as well. And I also mixed some jojoba oil in there as well, and vitamin E oil. And I just mixed it all together, and every time I parted it, I just hit my scalp with it. Literally just part, hit the scalp, and then go straight into the retwist. Okay, I also saturated my hair with that rose water and the peppermint oil water before I even started my retwist, so my actual locks were very refreshed by this point. So as you guys can see, I was training my clients and I was retwisting at the same time. So I was doing what I had to do, how I had to do it, but I just wanted you guys to still be able to see me working both ways. So yeah, this is just kind of, you know, the top of my hair at this point. Now at this point, we are at the very tippity top. This right here actually gets harder for me because by now my arms were just fatigued, like just about to pass out, y'all. Like I was just so fatigued, I was ready to be done at this point. But I promised myself that I will record this for you guys so you guys can see it. I know I'm kind of just all over the place when it comes to these angles, but I was really trying to push through it. As y'all can see, I took breaks to scream and everything. Okay, right here I'm just preparing that part and we're getting straight into the details. All right guys, so at this point, this is where I show you guys the detailed version of the actual retwist. So what we did was we want to start off with a clean part. I actually saved it for last, just for you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and just started by making sure that I am saturating that hair with that product. Today the product that I used for my retwist today was the Edge Booster retwisting gel. I absolutely love that. It works so good and it always keeps my hair looking very conditioned. That being said, I began to mimic a twist just by kind of retwisting it in a counterclockwise direction. As you guys can see, I'm just allowing all of that product to kind of come down as I come down with it. That being said, once I had a good grip on that hair, I just began to palm roll it, okay? I wanted to make sure all of that hair was nicely in there first, and then I just palm rolled it from the end. As you're palm rolling it, you just want to make sure that you're taking your time, and as soon as you feel like it's tight enough, just keep it in place. You can bring that excess product down like I did if you don't want it to just be clumped up at the top. The reason why I do get rid of the excess product at the top is just simply because it will take longer if I just let it sit, because my hair is like that. It will take longer to dry. That being said, I just had to find me a clip from the back of my head and we was ready to go, all right? But first I had to sing because, you know, I'm really like that. And that's just one thing about me is I'm going to listen to some music. It don't matter what I'm doing. Music going to help me get through it. That being said, I had to grab one of them clips from the back from a previous lock that already had dried. At this point, my hair was dry, so this really came in handy for me. As you guys can see, I'm about maybe 4 or 5 months away from my lock versary. It's about to be my 1 year, but it's been about 5 months, 5 or 6 months now. That being said, you guys, like, yes, this is the finished product. I started my lock journey last year, August 2021. That being said, it is now April, about to be May. So I am almost there at my whole year anniversary, lockversary. Why do I keep saying versary? That being said, y'all, I just took that good old blow dryer and I hit them roots. At this point, my hair was almost completely dry just by air drying, and this is the finished product. I don't have a blow dryer, but please, if you guys have a blow dryer, send under your blow dryer, okay? Don't be like me. But a blow dryer will do as well. As you can see, my hair finally was dry at this point, and I was ready to go, okay? Now, I pretty much do my retwist at least once every 2 weeks. I'll try to hit my retwist, but it's been a while since I did one, so I'm really just glad that I finally got it over with, and my hair looks good. Like, I just didn't feel like myself. Anyways, please subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you for your time.